Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to customize our three buttons that are here at the bottom of our Huawei P60 Pro phone. To change our buttons, we have to go to Settings, next to the Updates, System and Updates, here, this option here, and next System Navigation. And here we have our tricky navigation. It's enabled, you can see here, but we can choose another layout. For example, if you want to our back arrow to be on the right here. It's easier for me, for example, so I will leave it like it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.